guys, welcome to my apartment tour part one. In this part one, I'm only going to feature the living room. This is an IKEA couch that I've had since my last apartment tour. Very comfortable, seats about 3 to 4 people. The couch is the Uppland. Excuse me guys, the Uppland series. It comes with some other pieces, a chair, I think, an ottoman, and a love seat. And the cover is something that you can change, whether it be gray or beige. But I just like the white or cream color, neutral. Also, I have this cover here, which is checkered fleece fabric with the inside is Sherpa. And this is from a store called Just Cozy here in Toronto. I paid maybe just $10 for that. So you could check out that store. They had a lot of blankets when I bought this one. Also here is this is a cushion cover from H&M. I don't believe they have this pattern anymore, but they always come out with all kinds of different patterns. And it has 2 IKEA inserts to make it, more fuller. If you put just one, it's not gonna look right. And then just moving over here to the coffee table. So this coffee table I recently got from Zellers at the Bay at Scarborough Town Center. And I believe it was like $99 or $100 in this oak wood. And these are the legs. There's like 3 legs. Easy to assemble. It does come flat in a box, and then you put it together. And yeah, it's the perfect addition to this living room. And then I have this tray that I got from from Marshall's, and it was around $10. The coasters, this sort of faux leather, is from Zellers also, and those were around $4. And then this little vase is from Marshall's. So yeah, and Marshall's you can get some. I think I paid under $15 for that. I would have gotten it from H&M, but they're always sold out. They also have a version of this vase. And then just moving over here, I wasn't sure whether to keep this little elephant guy here, but he's from Structube, and I've had that maybe for 5 years. Don't know if they still have it. This vase and flowers is from IKEA. I'm pretty sure they still have this vase. And then this unit, this media unit or TV console, is from IKEA, a recent purchase. It's called Brims. It's a line that has a dresser. It has like a bookshelf. So there's a lot in this series. It's spelled B-R-I-M-N-E-S. So you can check IKEA for that. So it has 3 drawers, so you can put, things, clothing, or things you just don't need on the day-to-day. And it houses my Alexa, my printer, my phone sanitizer, and the Switch game things. I don't even know what it's called. And then on this side, I have this here is an air freshener. And I did get this, I think, Winners Marshalls. They have these different things that have like potpourri or something in them, just like an air freshener. And then just a couple of plants. This little dish, this little leopard dish is from H&M a couple of years ago, but they have different versions of that. I'm not sure, you need to check. This was a housewarming plant, and then this other plant I did get at IKEA, and it's growing just fine. I've had it maybe few months. And then this vase with these legs I got from Marshall's. Just like the way it looked, and then it was kind of a pedestal planter, and that I think was under $10. So I mean, Marshall's, Home Sense, they're always changing their items, so you have to more or less check it out weekly. And then this little box, I have a bunch of stuff in here. Printer paper is from IKEA. So if you, and it's concealing some other stuff, so it's fairly big with a lid. Had it a while. So yeah, guys, so this is my living room tour. And I hope you enjoyed this part of my apartment tour. If you like this video, because I do plan on showing other parts of my apartment, I'm gonna sort of upload it one at a time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.